Hello everyone, welcome back to this video. Hope you are doing good. In our previous video, we explored how to visualize the data in Splunk using the search query. And in this video, we are taking it a step further by building a complete Splunk dashboard from the scratch. And here we are going to use the same e-commerce sample data. Without wasting time, let's dive in. The first step is we are going to create an empty dashboard. So for that, logging into the Splunk UI, go to search and reporting and click this dashboard tab and click this create new dashboard button. The dashboard title is, we are going to use this e-commerce platform data. So let's say e-commerce platform insights. And the permission is by default private. If you set to private, it will be visible only to you. And if you set to shared in app, it will be visible to all application users. I'm going to set it as shared in app, and dashboard is dashboard studio and the layout is grid. Let us go ahead and click this create button. That's it. An empty dashboard has been created. Now the next step is to start adding panel to this dashboard, and each panel is used to showcase a specific data insight. And in this video we are going to create three panels. One is to display total number of customers, and the number two is to showcase the payment status across each payment method, and number three is to visualize sales across different regions. Let's begin with the panel one. So first we are going to create panel for total number of customer. So for that, go here and click this drop down button and you will see the numerous number of visualization options. So in our use case is to display the total number of customers. So I'm going to select this single value option. Then we have to create a search query. The search name can be total number of customers, and this is our SPL query. I'm going to play and close. And the count is 10. If you get the count as 0, just adjust the time range to all time so that you will see the count. That's it. The panel has been saved. And if you want to customize this panel, you can change the configuration and play around with this. For example, if I want to change the color of this number, just go to color and style and click this major value icon and change the color. That's it. I don't want to change background color. The black will be nice. And yeah, just click save and see your results. Yeah, that's it. Let me view it. Yeah, and could see the color of this icon. We are done with panel 1. Let us go ahead and create panel 2. So moving on to panel 2, this time we will first test the query in the search console before adding to the dashboard. So for that, just click this search button. Here is our query. It shows payment status for each payment method. I'm going to adjust this time window to all time and hitting this search button. Change it to visualization, and you have to enable the stack mode. For that, just click this format drop down and enable the stack mode here. And if you see over the result, we could see 3 out of 4 transaction using credit card succeeded, and 1 out of 2 transaction using UPI was successful. Once we verified the result, we can click on save and add it to the dashboard panel as we created earlier. Just go to this save button and add to the existing dashboard. Just select our dashboard and save to dashboard. Now Let's go back to dashboard and you will see that new panel. I'm going to select the time range to all time. Actually, I'm not comfortable with this back-to-back layout. Let us rearrange the layout a bit. For that, just click this edit and I'll just drag and drop it to the right of panel 1. Okay, now it looks good. Could see these two results side by side. Let us say the title as payment status. I'm going to save this. So we are done with the panel 2. I could see the two panels side by side. Let us move ahead with the panel 3. So in this panel 3, we are going to showcase sales across region using a Choropleth map. Before that, I would like to test the query. So let us go ahead and open Search Console. We are going to use the same query that we demonstrated earlier in our Splunk data visualization session. And make sure the time range is all time and click this search button. Okay, the results looks good. Now let us save this to our dashboard. Just click this save as button and add it to the existing dashboard. E-commerce platform insights and save to dashboard. Let us go ahead and view our changes. Make sure you have selected the all time range. It will take some time to populate the data. And here you go. I could see the panel number 3 in our dashboard. Yeah, now we have a dashboard that displays the total number of customers and their payment status and sales details across region. So that's all about for today's session. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. I'll be happy to help. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more Splunk tutorials. And thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.